So we're here with Abertown's 95th minute goal-scoring hero, Ruane. Congratulations! What an amazing moment.
Yeah, brilliant. We knew over the course of the 90 minutes, we could win this game today. And obviously at half time, we thought we were unlucky to be 2-0 down. We had chances in the first half, and they get us on the break. The second goal sort of deflated us a little bit, but we knew the gaffer said, go out there second half, get the first goal. We can get something out of this game. I'm absolutely delighted we've ended up, scoring a last-minute winner. Like,
yeah, it must have been interesting to start the game on the bench. I mean, at what point in the game did you feel we can win this game?
From the off, we've got a strong squad now. Do you know what I mean? Whoever does the job. I think the gaffer went with the team that beat TNS last week. But like I said, we've got a strong squad. The bench was strong today, and throughout the team we've got loads of good players, and we knew we could win the game. Second half, as soon as we got the first goal, we could smell the 3 points, and the lads just sort of kicked on and managed to seal the win.
Yeah, and I suppose as a striker you've got to be quite patient, haven't you, and think that moment is going to come.
Yeah.
And sometimes it does.
Yeah, obviously today I've took my chance. There's been a few other weeks where I should have probably took my chance and never, but today I'm just made up to get on the end and to score the winner and get the 3 points for the lads.
Yeah, congratulations. And have you had time to think about the implications of the win yet in the dressing room? Because you're probably all dancing, aren't you?
Yeah, we knew before the game. Obviously, if we won, we'd open up a bit of a gap between the chasing pack. Our target is just to make that top 6, and then sort of we can see where we go from there. But at the moment, there's momentum. All the teams above us, we don't fear no one at the moment. We know that on our day we can beat anyone. We beat TNS at home, we beat Ballard at home. So on our day we can beat anyone.
Yeah, and are you feeling that the supporters are with you from inside the dressing room?
Yeah, brilliant. It was good to have them there singing throughout the match and that. It's brilliant. And at the end, going over to them and having a bit of a celebration with them. But it was the same like a few weeks ago in the Llanelli game. They were singing, non-stop throughout the game. But there's a good team spirit, and at the moment there's a bit of a buzz to be at Aberystwyth, and the fans and the players alike and staff and everyone's in it together. And
there's a few dancers in that dressing room as well.
Yeah, we've got a few. Steph Edwards throwing shapes all the time, and a few of the others there. But like I said, the team spirit's brilliant, and hopefully now we can just kick on and carry the momentum onto the next game.
Well, congratulations, Ash. Fantastic second half performance. Well done.
Thanks for that.
Thank you.